The key to winning and succeeding in every aspect of your life lies in understanding and applying a simple yet profound method, the power of positive intention and self-belief. It's not about complex strategies or unattainable goals, but rather about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the essence of success and abundance. By adopting this approach, you can transform your life and start experiencing remarkable results. The first step in this method involves setting clear, positive intentions. Intentions are powerful because they set the direction for your energy and actions. When you focus on what you want rather than what you don't want, you direct your energy towards creating those desired outcomes. Begin by defining what success looks like for you, whether it's achieving a personal goal, excelling in your career, or improving your relationships. Be specific about what you want to manifest. Write down your intentions in a journal and visualize them regularly. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful your intention becomes. Next, cultivate unwavering self-belief. This is crucial because your belief in yourself determines your ability to manifest your desires. Self-belief acts as a catalyst for action and perseverance. Whenever doubts or negative thoughts arise, counteract them with affirmations that reinforce your capabilities and worth. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes and reaffirm that you are deserving of all the good things life has to offer. By nurturing a strong sense of self-belief, you empower yourself to overcome challenges and remain focused on your goals. In addition to setting intentions and building self-belief, it's essential to take inspired action. Positive thinking alone is not enough. You must also act on the opportunities and ideas that come your way. Pay attention to your intuition and the signs around you and take proactive steps towards your goals. This might involve making new connections, learning new skills, or seizing opportunities that align with your intentions. By taking action, you demonstrate your commitment to achieving your goals and create momentum that propels you forward. Another vital aspect of this method is maintaining a positive and grateful mindset. Gratitude has a powerful effect on your energy and vibration. By focusing on what you are grateful for, you shift your attention away from lack and scarcity towards abundance and positivity. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you appreciate in your life. This practice not only boosts your mood, but also attracts more of what you are grateful for into your life. The more you focus on the positive, the more positive experiences you will attract. Surrounding yourself with supportive and uplifting people also plays a significant role in your success. The energy of those around you can influence your own energy and mindset. Seek out individuals who encourage and inspire you, and distance yourself from those who bring negativity or doubt into your life. Building a network of supportive people creates a positive environment that nurtures your growth and reinforces your intentions. Maintaining consistency and patience is also crucial. Success and manifestation take time, and it's important to stay committed to your goals even when progress seems slow. Trust in the process and remain patient with yourself. Keep reinforcing your intentions, nurturing your self-belief, taking action, and practicing gratitude. The combination of these practices will eventually lead to the results you desire. To truly harness the power of this method, it's important to integrate these practices into your daily life with dedication and authenticity. One powerful way to reinforce your intentions is by creating a vision board. This visual representation of your goals can be an incredible tool for keeping your desires at the forefront of your mind. Fill it with images, words, and symbols that resonate with what you wish to achieve. Place it somewhere you will see it daily and let it serve as a constant reminder of your path and purpose. The act of visualizing your success in this way helps to align your subconscious mind with your conscious goals, making the manifestation process smoother and more effective. In addition to using a vision board, consider incorporating daily affirmations into your routine. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, and they play a crucial role in reshaping your thought patterns and reinforcing your self-belief. Choose affirmations that are specific to your goals and resonate deeply with you. For instance, if your goal is to enhance your financial abundance, affirmations like, "I am a magnet for financial prosperity," or "Abundance flows effortlessly into my life," can be powerful. Repeat these affirmations throughout the day, particularly during moments of doubt or when you need a boost of confidence. By consistently affirming your worth and potential, you strengthen your inner resolve and keep your focus on your desired outcomes. Another key aspect to consider is the role of mindfulness in your daily life. Mindfulness involves being fully present and engaged in the current moment without judgment. Practicing mindfulness helps you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to catch and redirect any negative or limiting beliefs before they take hold. Simple mindfulness exercises, such as deep breathing or mindful meditation, can't help center your mind and keep you aligned with your positive intentions. Incorporating these practices into your routine not only supports your manifesting efforts, but also contributes to your overall well-being. Moreover, it's essential to cultivate a sense of joy and playfulness in your journey. When you approach your goals with enthusiasm and a light heart, you naturally raise your vibrational frequency, engage in activities that bring you joy and make you feel alive. Whether it's pursuing a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying a moment of peace, allowing yourself to experience happiness and satisfaction enhances your ability to attract positive experience. Joy is a powerful magnet for abundance, and by infusing your daily life with fun and excitement, you amplify your capacity to manifest your desires. Another important consideration is the practice of self-compassion. As you work towards your goals, it's natural to encounter challenges and setbacks. It's crucial to treat yourself with kindness and understanding during these times. Instead of criticizing yourself for perceived failures or slow progress, offer yourself encouragement and patience. Self-compassion allows you to navigate obstacles with resilience and grace, keeping you aligned with your positive intentions despite any difficulties you may face. Lastly, regularly reflect on your progress and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Taking time to acknowledge and appreciate your successes reinforces your positive mindset and motivates you to continue pursuing your goals. Each step forward, each milestone reached, and each lesson learned contributes to your overall journey. By celebrating these moments, you affirm your progress and maintain a sense of gratitude for the abundance that is unfolding in your life. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you create a supportive environment that fosters growth and success. Your journey towards manifesting your desires is a dynamic process, and with dedication, positivity, and self-love, you can achieve extraordinary results. Stay committed to your path and trust in your ability to create the life you envision. The simple method of intention setting, self-belief, and positive action, combined with mindfulness, joy, self-compassion, and celebration, will guide you towards achieving your dreams and experiencing the abundance that is your birthright. In conclusion, winning and achieving success through this simple method involves setting clear intentions, cultivating self-belief, taking inspired action, maintaining gratitude, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. By consistently applying these principles, you align yourself with the energy of success and abundance. Trust in the power of these practices and watch as they begin to transform your life in extraordinary ways. As we conclude our exploration of this simple method for achieving your desires, I want to remind you that you have the power to shape your life through your thoughts and intentions. The techniques we discussed today, from creating a vision board to practicing daily affirmations, are tools that help you align your energy with your goals. By applying these practices, you are taking proactive steps to manifest the life you envision. If you found this guidance helpful and inspiring, I encourage you to show your support for this channel. By liking this video, you not only help others discover these powerful methods, but also express your appreciation for the insights shared here. Your engagement helps spread positive energy and supports the continued creation of content that empowers and uplifts. Additionally, subscribing to this channel is a wonderful way to stay connected and receive ongoing inspiration. By subscribing, you ensure that you won't miss any future videos filled with valuable information and motivating advice. Your subscription allows us to continue providing content that resonates with you and helps you on your journey toward your dreams. Feel free to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these practices. The more people who are introduced to these empowering techniques, the more positive change can ripple out into the world. Like when you share, you are contributing to a greater movement of positivity and self-improvement, allowing others to experience the same growth and success. Consider leaving a comment below to share your thoughts or experiences. Your feedback is invaluable and it can offer inspiration and support to others who are on a similar path. Engaging with the content through comments also helps build a supportive network where ideas and encouragement are exchanged. Lastly, don't forget to turn on notifications for this channel. This ensures you stay updated with the latest videos and can continue to receive new insights and tips that align with your goals and aspirations. By staying connected, you maintain a flow of positive energy and inspiration that supports your personal growth. In summary, by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications, you contribute to a vibrant exchange of ideas and encouragement. Your participation helps create a space where positivity thrives and where everyone can access the tools and motivation needed to transform their lives. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon.